Page 23, Rock Along. On page 22, they have a paragraph there that talks about rock along a little bit, and it talks about counting and clapping, and I don't really get into clapping all that much. If you want to go through that, you go right ahead. The idea is to get the rhythm, kind of a feel of what the rhythm is here. I like to just do it and play it, so I do it that way. As we go through these videos, I'm going to use my method for learning new pieces. There's a procedure I go through to learn a new piece. It doesn't make any difference if it's a little piece like this or a great big long piece that's pages, many pages long. And that's what I teach in the videos. Now you'll develop your own system over time, but this is the system I'm going to use for now. And that is, first I like to look it over. How long is it? Well, it's 2 lines long. Remember, a line is both of those staves together. Because they're connected with vertical bars, that means you play them at the same time. That's 1 line. So this is 2 lines long. It's got 4 stabs in it, but they're connected. Yeah. I see the first line, all the notes are in the upper staff, and the second line, all the notes are in the lower staff. Okay. It means the right hand's going to play the first line, and the left hand's going to play the second line. We have a treble and bass clefs at the beginning. We have a 4/4 time signature. Remember the 4/4. 4 counts in a measure. We're going to count to 4, and the bottom 4 tells you what you're counting, which 4 stands for quarter note. So they're the same as 4 quarter notes in every measure. At the end, there's a repeat sign. It means we're going to play it twice. So kind of look it over there. Then I try it 1 hand at a time and see if I can do that. Well, here it's not really a problem because only 1 hand is playing at a time. So it starts with the right hand and the thumb on middle C here. That puts your hand in this position, C position. First I want to say the name of the note and play the name. Now this is just while I'm learning the notes. Once I know the note names, I don't do this part. So I'm just going to say the note and play it. So it's a C, C, E, G, E, G, C, C, C. And once I do that, then I go back and add the rhythm. Remember, a half note's the same as 2 quarter notes, so here it's going to get 2 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the whole note is the same as 4 quarter notes, or it gets 4 counts, or the whole measure. Second line is for the left hand, and they want little finger on this C down here, and that puts the hand here. It's in C position down here. And now first I'm going to say the name of the note and play it. C, C, E, G, E, G, C, C, C. Now I want to play it and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try the whole thing with both hands. Put both hands in their positions and leave them there for the whole piece. So you're starting right hand, you play that and you play through it. And then when you in the second line, you're here. Then you immediately repeat, you go back to the beginning again, and that's right hand. It doesn't matter how fast you go, it doesn't matter how loud it is, it's not interested in any of that. We just want to play it correctly, so we're playing the right notes at the right time. So you go through and work that out and get that working for you, and when you think you're ready, then come back and play it with me in the Play With Me section, and we'll check. Are you playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it? So I'll give us 4 counts. I'm going to go 1, 2, ready, go. That's 4 counts. And then let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.